tolerance for shaft, tolerance for hole. This is the shaft. So the shaft dimension, tolerance for shaft is, this shaft dimension can vary, sorry, some cross. This you can allow the shaft if the tolerance the dimension is below, I mean between this tolerance, the shaft tolerance. Similarly for hole, so this shaft A and hole B, for example, this A can easily be inserted into the hole B, so that's why it is called clearance fit. Without any external force the fit can be formed, it is called clearance fit. Example, slide fit, running fit. Here no external force is required, no external force is required to form a fit. So in clearance fit we have to calculate for maximum clearance and minimum clearance. So if you look at the diagram, so maximum clearance, before going to that, so we need to mention what is upper limit of hole and upper limit of shaft, and lower limit of hole, lower limit of shaft. So this is basic size, this part is upper limit of hole, this one is hole, this one is shaft, this is upper limit of shaft, this one is lower limit of shaft, this is lower limit of hole. So lower limit is same as a basic size, that's why it is basic hole system. Here in clearance fit the allowance is called clearance, so maximum clearance equal to, you don't need to remember the formula, if you understand the concept then you can do any problem. Maximum clearance equal to So if you look at the diagram, the maximum difference is the maximum clearance. So upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of upper limit of hole minus lower limit of shaft. So maximum clearance is upper limit of hole minus lower limit of shaft. That means if you want to show the in diagram, this one is maximum clearance. Maximum clearance. Upper limit of hole minus lower limit of shaft. Upper limit of hole minus lower limit of shaft. Similarly, minimum clearance. What is minimum clearance? So for minimum clearance, what is the minimum difference is lower limit of hole minus upper limit of shaft. That is minimum clearance. Similarly, deviation. For example, for hole, upper deviation equal to upper limit of hole minus basic size. Lower deviation equal to lower limit of hole minus basic size. So here tolerance of hole is same as the upper deviation. So fundamental deviation is whichever is minimum. Next one is upper deviation, lower deviation, and we have calculated clearances. On tolerance, is equal to difference between upper limit minus lower limit. Tolerance of hole equal to upper limit of hole minus lower limit of hole. It's about tolerance. We will solve one gold gate question which they asked about the maximum clearance and minimum clearance. Then it will be clear for you the concept. So gate 2007 2 marks question. Question number 4 ME 2007 2 marks question. So what the question is, a hole is specified as, so given data I will write it. The hole is specified as 40 0.05 0.00 mm hole. The mating shaft has a clearance fit with minimum clearance of 0.01. So minimum clearance of shaft. So minimum clearance equal to 0.01 mm. So he has mentioned it is clearance fit. So the tolerance on shaft is 0.04 mm. Tolerance on shaft is 0.04 mm. The maximum clearance in mm between the hole and shaft is, we need to calculate maximum clearance, 2 marks. Maximum clearance equal to how much you need to calculate. So to solve this type of problem, you need to first draw the diagram, then you'll get the answer. So he has mentioned it is clearance fit. If you look at the hole dimensions, so lower limit is 0.00. So he has mentioned 40 0.05 and 0.00. So lower limits are 0, that means it is basic hole. This value is 0.05. So this is called tolerance as well. Next, similarly, if you look at the other values which he has given, minimum clearance is 0.01. So clearance is difference between the mating parts. So minimum clearance is 0.01, the difference between shaft and hole. So suppose this is minimum, this one is the minimum clearance. How much is that? Minimum clearance is 0.01. So that value is 0.01 and this value is 0.05, the distance from basic size. And what about the tolerance of the shaft? He has given tolerance of the shaft as 0.04. That means this value is 0.04 tolerance of shaft. So he is asking maximum clearance. So maximum clearance is maximum difference. So minimum clearance is 0.01, maximum clearance is the maximum distance. So this is a maximum clearance which is equal to the sum of all the values. If you want to get that value, this question mark, so maximum clearance equal to hole tolerance. No need to remember the formula, I am just writing from the diagram only. So if you know how to draw the diagram, then you can easily do it. hole tolerance plus minimum clearance plus shaft tolerance. That's what we are adding, right, from the diagram. Maximum clearance is, so that is value is 0.05 plus 0.01 plus 0.04, which is nothing but 0.10 mm. So answer is C. Answer for this is C. So in the same problem, if he asks fundamental deviation of hole, then, so for example, fundamental deviation of hole equal to minimum of upper and lower deviation is fundamental deviation, right? Minimum of upper and lower deviation is fundamental deviation. Here fundamental deviation, upper deviation is upper deviation of hole equal to upper limit minus basic size equal to 0.05 minus 0.00. It is equal to 0.05. Lower deviation is same as basic size, so lower deviation of hole is equal to 0.00. So fundamental deviation is 0.00. Question number 1. GATE 2010 2 marks question. The question he has given is, the question is, a shaft has a dimension of 35 minus 0.09 minus 0.025. This is the dimension he has given. The respective values of fundamental deviation and tolerance. So we need to calculate fundamental deviation and tolerance. So first, fundamental deviation is equal to the minimum of upper and lower deviation. So first we draw a diagram, then you can easily understand. A shaft, so he has given negative value. Upper limit is 0.09 mm, less than, lower than the basic size. So if you measure from the basic size, this is a shaft tolerance. This deviation is minus 0.09 and this one is minus 0.025. This point. So first upper deviation we will calculate. Upper deviation equal to upper limit of shaft minus basic size or basic size minus upper limit also you can take. So this is, if you take upper limit is minus 0.09 minus basic size is the base number 0.00 to minus 0.09. Lower deviation equal to lower limit of shaft minus basic size. So basic size is, we are taking reference 00, that's why we are taking direct tolerance values 0.025 minus 0.00 minus 0.025 mm. So fundamental deviation equal to whichever is minimum out of this is fundamental deviation equal to minus 0.09 mm, which is upper deviation. So next, tolerance calculation. Tolerance of shaft equal to upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of shaft. So upper limit is minus 0.09 minus of minus 0.025. We will get 0.016 mm tolerance. Simple question, 2 marks. Another 2 marks question. Question number 7, GATE 2004. So in an interchangeable assembly, shaft size, he has given shaft 25 plus 0.04 0.01 minus 0 plus. This is a shaft dimension he has given, met with holes of size hole 25 plus 0.02 minus 0.00. What is the maximum clearance in the assembly? Maximum clearance in the assembly. So first of all, we need to draw the diagram. Reference line or basic line. Shaft first. Shaft has negative bilateral tolerance. So plus 0.04. These all values are measured from basic size minus 0.01. Shaft has 0.02. this is hole, this is shaft. He is asking maximum clearance, that means clearance fit has to be formed. What is a possible chance here clearance fit has to be formed means? So minimum limit of lower limit of hole has to be greater than the upper limit of shaft. So whenever there is the shaft hole dimension varies from, instead of minus 0.01, it has to vary from 0.02 to 0.4, then it is called clearance fit. Okay. Condition for clearance fit. Lower limit of hole is greater than or equal to upper limit greater than upper limit of shaft. So maximum clearance, here maximum clearance is difference between small correction, here it is shaft, instead of hole we need to write shaft, this is hole, so this is shaft, this one is hole. So now we need to calculate maximum clearance. So according to the clearance fit condition, lower limit of hole is greater than the upper limit of shaft. So hole lower limit has to be greater than upper limit of shaft. So up to here we can take. So maximum clearance equal to upper limit of hole minus lower limit of shaft. Upper limit of hole is 0.02 minus lower limit of hole is minus 0.01, it is 0.03, it is 30 microns, it is mm, 30 microns. Answer is C. Very important question, they asked in 2012 11 also, 11 or 12, GATE 2012, same question repeated with same numbers, because it looks bit confusing, but this is a formula. Maximum clearance is difference between upper limit of hole minus lower limit of shaft. Minimum clearance is difference between lower limit of hole minus upper limit of the shaft. Okay.